Mammoth Interactive has sold over 700,000 courses worldwide. Today, we are going to bring you the best bundle of certified online courses we've ever produced. In this course, you're going to get to learn how to build a startup level app with Google Flutter. If you don't know what Google Flutter is, it's Google's amazing development environment to take your billion-dollar idea to the next level. Google Flutter is absolutely amazing because you can code once and deploy it to multiple platforms. That's right, you can make an iOS app and an Android app in the same application. It was just announced that Google Flutter is allowing to export to the web. This makes Google Flutter the best development environment ever created. So let's take a look at what we're going to be building in this amazing bundle of courses. First, we're going to be learning how to build iOS, Android, and even web apps in Flutter using Google's programming language, Dart. You're also going to be learning how to build the technical aspects of building an app. This includes building wireframes, structuring a database, and communicating with a backend to load and store data. Become familiar with Google Firebase. This is a backend service for web and mobile apps. You'll also get to learn how to interact with a variety of highly functional Flutter widgets and implement your own custom ones to build a sophisticated app. We'll also show you how to build algorithms to enhance the user experience. In addition, we'll show you how to use Firebase authentication and show you how to build a secure login. We'll also show you how to allow users to interact with each other in real time using Firebase Firestore, a real-time database complete with listener functions to provide immediate updates. Every company is going to need a Flutter developer on their payroll. This is a massive opportunity for you. With these courses, you'll be able to get the latest skills to work at the next big startup or make your billion-dollar idea a reality. This is the kind of project you would get at a coding bootcamp, and for a limited time only, you'll be able to get this project at a discount. Why spend thousands of dollars going to a coding bootcamp when you can learn online in the comfort of your own home for a fraction of the cost? Building an Airbnb clone is the best project to add to your resume or LinkedIn profile. Even if you're not a coder, this is the best way to get a raise or that big bonus. Mammoth Interactive is the leading platform to take your skills to the next level. We can't wait to see the apps that you're going to build. Thanks for listening. Pledge today to help us make this amazing bundle of courses. You can look at some of the rewards below for some of our critically acclaimed courses and bundles. You can also get lifetime access to Mammoth Interactive's training content for $999. This Kickstarter won't last forever, so pledge today. Thanks for listening, and we hope to see you in the course.